Officers Career Academy is the best defense career academy in Pune with 100% selection guarantee. Officers Career Academy trains the students who are fascinated in NDA, CDSE, Army, Navy, Air Force and exams like UPSC and MPSC. Officers Career Academy is located in Sainik Nagar, Kesnad, Wagholi, Pune. The motto of Officers Career Academy is to help, guide and train the interested, dedicated and eligible youths in such a manner that they can achieve their dreams easily.
Jai friends, I am Professor A.K. Dubey, an Air Force veteran serving OCA as Technical Director. OCA is founded under Mali Sainik Foundation in 1998 by Professor Ranganath Ganwat sir and 11 other board of directors from Defence Forces. Till date, we have sent thousands of officers and Jawans in the Defence Forces. I took over the command of OCA on 14th November 2014. Till today, I have sent 495 officers and Jawan in the Defence Forces. In this year only, we have sent 96 cadets in the Defence Forces. Even in the last month, out of 25 cadets we have sent for the Navy. Out of that, 23 have been selected.
मेरा नाम प्रीति दुबे है, मैं यहाँ की एडमिन डायरेक्टर हूँ। ये ऑफिसर का जो शेड्यूल है वो सुबह 6:30 बजे से लेकर रात में 11:30 बजे तक रहता है। पिछले बैच में ही 25 बच्चे नेवी में भेजे थे, वो उसमें से 23 बच्चों का सिलेक्शन।
Academy prepare their students for written examinations, physical training and personality development, which are an integral part of the selection process. Officers Career Academy has maintained its exclusivity by consistently producing toppers and other good rank holders in NDA, CDSE, Army, Navy, Air Force, Railways and exams like UPSC, MPSC, SSC and paramilitary forces.
Before joining OCA, I was faculty in some 3 to 4 academies. But what really inspires me as a teacher to join OCA is the amount of results it keeps on producing every year, breaking its own records. Like, to give an example, before Deepavali, we managed to, among 25 cadets, 23 of them managed to clear the Navy exams and will be serving the nation. Just like them, over hundreds of cadets from OCA are serving the nation. So it gives me immense pleasure for joining OCA and also be a part of this amazing team. And I also, as Dubey sir says, it's not a OCA faculty, it's a OCA family.
The teachers of Officers Career Academy cover all the written exam syllabus within the scheduled timeline. They have expert teachers for each subject. Officers Career Academy teach their students in an innovative way by taking audio-video lectures. They conduct weekly tests. Also, they organize motivational lectures every week. Also, to encourage the hard work of the students, they give prize to the top.
Hello friends, I am Kishan Kulkarni from Hubli, Karnataka. I got recommended from Selection Center East Allahabad on 31st of July 2003. SSB is highly unpredictable. During my stay, I was unable to know what was the officer trying to do from me. So I only focused on being good. The most important of the things that I learned from the Officers Career Academy, Pune, was to be yourself and to be the best of yourself under the able guidance of Professor A.K. Dubey and Commander Sachin Joshi. The other faculties also shaped my qualities. Other things that I learned was being disciplined, focusing on my important points. I learned discipline, patience and goal focusing. My stay in OCA was very memorable and I learned a lot. Thank you very much OCA for shaping my future.